My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2021 MG HS. This is a hybrid electric vehicle. It has done just over 27,000 miles with an automatic transmission. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature and automatic headlights. To the right, we have voice control and our start-stop button. On our touchscreen, we have radio, navigation, and climate control. If we go into car, we can access our driving assistance, comfort and convenience, driving and maintenance, and factory setting. If we go back into comfort and convenience, we have unique features such as follow me home and find my car. We also have Apple and Android CarPlay and a 360 degrees camera with parking sensors. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.